These are just simple classifying, okay? So, Toad hopped. Who hopped? Toad. Subject. Noun. What is being said about Toad? Okay. Girl tiptoed. Who tiptoed? What is being said about the girl? Okay. Ball rolled. What rolled?
Ball.
What is being said about the ball? And then you will do number 4 for homework. So go ahead and circle number 4. So I know that's what you're doing for homework. Okay, let's do number 5. The sonic toad hopped quickly. What hopped quickly? Toad. Subject. Noun. What is being said about the toad? Hopped how?
Quickly. Adjective.
Not adjective. Adverb because it said how. What kind of toad?
Adjective.
The. Okay, number 6. A little girl tiptoed quietly. Who tiptoed quietly?
Girl.
What is being said about the girl?
Tiptoed.
Tiptoed how?
Quietly. Adverb.
How, right? What kind of girl?
Little. Adjective.
A.
Article. Adjective.
Number 7. 2 birds sing sweetly. What sing sweetly?
Bird. Subject. Noun.
What is being said about the bird?
Singing. Bird.
Sing how?
Sweetly. Adverb.
Adverb. Oh, sorry guys, I read through. And then how many birds?
2. Adjective.
And you guys will do number 8 for homework. So number 4 and 8 for homework.